Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the ADR indicator for MT4. Okay, so this indicator is quite effective for those who want to understand market ranges and identify potential breakouts and reversals. Okay, so I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now and we're going to look at it, what this indicator actually is and how you can take advantage of it for your trading strategies. Okay, the ADR indicator. All right, now this indicator, the ADR, it stands for average daily range. All right, average daily range stands for that's what ADR represents. Okay, so it is actually an indicator that calculates and displays the expected market range for the day, as you can see. All right, it calculates and displays the expected market range for the day along with current trading range data. All right, along with current trading range data. Okay, so the indicator plots upper and lower ADR levels as dotted lines on the chart. It also shows the ADR value and the current day's range in the top left corner. You can see up here, right, the top left corner of the screen. Then the indicator is based on the average true range calculation. It's actually based on the ATR calculation, allowing traders to customize its settings for different trading styles. Now you might be wondering, why is the ADR indicator important? Well, this indicator actually provides key market insights by showing the average range a currency pair moves daily. All right, the average range that the currency pair moves daily, and it can help you identify potential reversal points when price reaches the ADR boundaries. All right, and then breakout opportunities, are presented when price moves beyond the ADR limits. All right, and of course, that shows you support and resistance levels for precise trade setups. So these are some of the things that makes the ADR indicator important. Okay, now we're just going to quickly go over the two main strategies that traders use with the ADR indicator. All right, we're going to go over them very quickly so that you can actually take advantage of them. The first strategy is the breakout trading strategy. Now, as you can see, we have the ADR high for this particular currency pair here. We have the ADR low for this particular currency pair here, and this is where the ADR stop, right, is. So now, when price moves towards the upper ADR level, just have to watch out for increased momentum and volume. Basically, you should be looking out for increase in the momentum and the volume of, this particular currency pair that you were trading. All right. Then if price should break above the upper ADR, it could signal a strong breakout. Then you can enter a buy trade if the breakout is confirmed. Remember, I've talked about this before. One of the ways to confirm a breakout is when you have a retest. All right. Once a breakout happens, ensure that there is a retest and a continuation to show that that breakout is valid. So when price goes above the upper boundary of the ADR, ensure that there is a retest first and a bullish continuation. In that case, you can enter a buy trade and then you can set your stop loss below the breakout point. All right, and you can target key resistance levels for your take profit. Okay. On the other hand, if the price should break below the lower boundary, ensure that you have a retest as well, because a retest validates the breakout. All right, when a retest happens, then you can look out for potential sell opportunities. And then if you enter after your confirmation, you can set your stop loss above the breakout point, and you can target key support levels for your take profit. All right, so it's super easy, right? It's super easy. In this case, if we are to have the price continue going up and breaks above this level, we should just watch out for a confirmation of that breakout and then look for a good opportunity to enter a buy trade. All right, and then of course we ride the breakout till it hits the resistance level that reject it next. All right, now how do you optimize the ADR indicator for your strategy? Okay, the ADR indicator derives its values, like I said before, from the average true range indicator, meaning that you can adjust. You can see the ATR period is here. So you can adjust the ATR period for more accuracy. For example, if you want a more sensitive, reaction, if you want the indicator to react quickly to price changes, you can use a low value. All right, 5 to 10 is fine, for example. But if you want smoother ADR values, which is better for long-term analysis, then you can actually change this value to maybe 20, between 20 to 30. Yeah, you can change this value between 20 to 30. It's going to give you smoother ADR values, and which is better for long-term analysis. So, since currency pairs have different volatilities, traders should actually try testing different ATR settings, okay, for the best result. So when you figure out the one that works best for you, then you can stick with that. Okay, not every trader has to necessarily use the same settings. All right, you should actually use what works best for you. And that is the reason why, I encourage you to actually try out different settings if you will. All right, if you want to try it out, you can try out different settings, and until you figure out the one that works best for you, then you can stick with that. Okay, depending on your trading style. Now, we are going to be rounding up right now, but before we do that, let us just look at the reason why this indicator is worth considering adding to your trading arsenal. One is that it can help you avoid random trades by identifying key price levels, and it actually works as a standalone strategy or in combination with other indicators. All right, and it's actually a good indicator for intraday and swing traders, offering precise entry and exit signals. Okay, so the ADR indicator for MT4 is an effective tool that helps traders understand daily price movement potential. Whether you are trading breakouts or reversals, this indicator is an effective tool that you might want to consider having in your trading arsenal. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more high quality Forex trading content. Let me know in the comments if you've used the ADR indicator and how it fits into your strategy. See you in the next video, and happy trading.